Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a quick review of this 11 books of Vinod Publications of DL at ETT first year, Government of Himachal Pradesh, Hindi medium books of the bestseller publishing firm. All these books are bestseller of Vinod Publications, which is the greatest publishing firm or most trusted publishing firm of India. And this book is as per the new syllabus pattern of Government of Himachal Pradesh, all Hindi medium books. So let's check these out of all DLID DDD first year books. So first of all, have a quick review of teaching of mathematics. First of all, unit wise syllabus is mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4. Then contents are mentioned with page numbers. You can check them out. And all the contents are neatly mentioned with subtopics in detail and highlighted in both English and Hindi language to make it comfortable for both kind of reader. You can go to any page number, find that particular topic and read it. Diagrams are also there, pictorial representation are also there, and inside matter is also highlighted in both English and Hindi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers to read it. It's a very good book. It's for just rupees 199.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218 or you can buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location. This book will be available to at just 199.50 rupees. I highly recommend teaching of mathematics book. So now next book is work education ETT first year. Once again, syllabus is given till unit wise 1, 2, 3, 4. Then contents 1, 2, 3, 4, and subtopic. Everything is discussed in detail. Page numbers are given. Go to any page number, find a particular topic. At the back side of every chapter, questions are also given, and the topics are highlighted in both English and Hindi language. So even if you are comfortable at English language, you can still buy this book because the topics are highlighted in English. So this book is a very good book, covers everything in detail. It's for just rupees 149.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or call them directly at 9218 and the book will be delivered to you very shortly. Or you can buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location at just rupees 149.50 rupees only. Work education is highly recommendable. Another book is teaching of environmental studies ETT first year book. You can check it out. Syllabus 1, 2, 3, 4. Contents are mentioned. Page number, pages wise mentioned till fourth unit. Go to any page, find a particular page. Things are nicely explained. It has 336 pages and just rupees price is just rupees 199.50 rupees, and so much things are discussed in are covered in detail. Everything is covered neatly. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or call them directly at 9218 or buy it from any available bookstore. 199.50 for teaching of environment studies is a very good book, highly recommendable. Another book is teaching of English language ETT first year book. Again, syllabus is mentioned, then contents are mentioned, and contents are mentioned till unit 4, which is the last thing of syllabus, till unit 4, till all units. Go to any page number, find that particular topic, read it. Contents are highlighted and the matter is highlighted in detail in back side of the book. And this book has 327 pages, which is great, and price is just rupees 199.50 rupees. It covers everything in detail. Available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or call them directly at 9218 or buy it from any available bookstore nearby location. Teaching of English language, highly recommendable book from my side. Now another book is Pedagogy Across the Curriculum. This book also cover everything in detail, has syllabus, then contents. Go to any page and check out any particular topic, and 199.50 is the price of book. Available on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218 or buy it from any available bookstore. 199.50 for Pedagogy Across the Curriculum, highly recommendable. Again, teaching of Hindi language. Next book, again syllabus, contents, everything discussed in detail till unit 4. And this book has many pages till 319 pages and cover everything in detail. It's for just 199.50 rupees. Available on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218 or you can buy it directly from any available bookshop nearby your location. Another book is highly recommendable book, Teaching of Hindi Language. Another book is Creative Drama, Fine Arts and Evaluation, ETT first year book. Syllabus is mentioned, then topics are mentioned, and price is just rupees 149.50 rupees, which is really great. Very less, very reasonable. Go to Flipkart, Amazon and buy this book, or call them directly at 9218 or go to any available bookstore and find this book. Buy this book. 149.50 for Creative Drama, Fine Arts and Education Part 1 is a really good book, highly recommendable. Children's next book is Children's Physical and Emotional Health, School Health and Education, ETT first year. Again, syllabus, contents, everything is given, till unit 4, and its book is price is 199.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 or you can buy it from any available bookstore nearby location. So 199.50 for creative for Children's Physical and Emotional Health, School Health and Education Part 1 is a really highly recommendable book. Another book is Education Society and Curriculum. Again, things syllabus is given, contents are given, things are very neatly discussed. Check out any page, things are very properly discussed. This book is just for 199.50 rupees only, and it's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can call them directly at 9218 also, or you can also buy this book from any available bookstore nearby location. 199.50 for Education Society and Curriculum is a really good price, highly recommendable. Again, and next book is Education Contemporary Indian and Society. Again, syllabus mentioned, contents mentioned, syllabus mentioned, and everything is neatly covered. Syllabus, contents, everything is covered. Page numbers mentioned, things are properly mentioned. This book is for just rupees 199.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218 and 199.50 rupees only for Education in Contemporary Indian Society is a really good price, highly recommendable. Last book is Understanding the Psychology of Children. Again, syllabus, contents, page numbers, go to any page number, subtopics are given, anything is given, everything is clearly given, highlighted in both the languages, in Hindi and English, to make it comfortable for both kind of readers to understand it. Very good book again, and the price of the book is just rupees 199.50 rupees only. Things are very highlighted in detail. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, and you can call them directly at 9218 and buy this book, or this book is available at any bookstore nearby you of ETT Books. You can buy it at 199.50 rupees only. So Understanding the Psychology of Children is also highly recommendable book. So all these 11 books, I highly recommend all of them. All are ETT first year Himachal Pradesh bestseller books of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted firm of India. Hindi medium, all are Hindi medium books. I think you should definitely buy all these books. All these 11 books are highly recommendable. You should definitely buy them. Thank you very much.